How we doing, everyone? We are back again with another two tickets. This time we got two of the 230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now these tickets here, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes there on screen range from $20 up to that top prize of 2.5 million. Let's go ahead and turn these back over here. Today we have tickets number 18 and 19. We're going to get started with ticket 18 here. On these tickets, we are looking for that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly. The 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Enough talking, let's get scratching, get into it, and get some wins. This is ticket number 18, and our winning numbers, we got, let's see here, we got 38, 17, 34, 11, 15, 5, 9. All right, let's see if we can get lucky today, guys. Let's start out with a 29, 14, 36, 35, 37. Got everything in between that. All right, moving on, we got 8, 39, 12, 21, 6. Man, we're hitting everything around what we need. 32, 42, 49, 4, 40. All right, we got 2 rows left. We can still get something. 13, 46, 30, 16, 24. All right, last row, guys. Can we get lucky? We got a 1, 2, 50, 31, 18. All right, guys, so ticket 18 here was a loser. At least it appears to be, unless we missed something. We're going to move on to ticket number 19 here. See if we can get a little something back here. 32, 22, 38, 25, 18, 40, and 7. Let's start out with a 10, 46, 48, 6, 29, 13, 17, 15, 3, 4, 27, 23, 45, 12, 24, 47, 21, 26, 33, 30. All right, last row, guys. Hopefully we can pull something off so it's not a complete waste. 19, 34, 9, 37, and in the clutch corner, 16. All right, guys, sad stuff. It appears both tickets are going to be losers today. We tried. We could not get nothing today. As always, if you would, consider hitting that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you all next time. Have a good night, everyone.